Hi, hello friends. This is Mrs. Surya. Me చూస్తున్నారు Bhavani tutorials and entertainment channel. ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఈ వీడియోలో నేను కంప్యూటర్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ పైన మాక్ టెస్ట్ అనేది కండక్ట్ చేస్తాను. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్ వీడియోని స్కిప్ చేయకుండా లాస్ట్ వరకు చూడండి. అండ్ యాజ్ యూజువల్ క్వశ్చన్ కి ఆన్సర్ కి మధ్య 5 seconds గ్యాప్ ఇస్తాను. అండ్ 5 seconds లో ఆన్సర్ ఏంటనేది మీరు గెస్ చేయండి. ఇలా గెస్ చేయడం వల్ల ఏంటంటే మీరు ఎంతవరకు ప్రిపేర్డ్ ఉన్నారో ఎగ్జామ్ కోసం మీకే తెలుస్తుంది. దట్స్ ఇట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో మన ఫస్ట్ బిట్. The IETF standards documents are called dash. Option A, RFC. Option B, RCF. Option C, ID. Option D, none of this. Answer guess chain friends. Answer just say option A, RFC. Second bit. In the layer hierarchy, as the data packet moves from the upward to the lower layer, headers are called. Option A, remove. Option B, added. Option C, rearranged. Option D, modified. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer just say option B, added. Third bit. The structure or format of a data is called dash. Option A, syntax. Option B, semantics. Option C, struct. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer just say option A, syntax. Fourth bit. Communication between a computer and a keyboard involves dash transmission. Option A, automatic. Option B, half duplex. Option C, full duplex. Option D, simplex. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer just say option D, simplex. Fifth bit. 3 or more devices share a link in dash connection. Option A, unipoint. Option B, point to point. Option C, multi-point. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer just say option C, multi-point. Sixth bit. Which of this is not a constituent of residential telephone line? Option A, a high-speed downstream channel. Option B, a medium-speed downstream channel. Option C, a low-speed downstream channel. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer just say option C, a low-speed downstream channel. Seventh bit. The function of DSLAM is dash. Option A, convert digital signal into analog signals. Option B, convert analog signal into digital signals. Option C, amplify digital signals. Option D, none of the above. Answer yes cheyandi. Answer just say option B, convert analog signals into digital signals. Eighth bit. Choose the statement which is not applicable for cable internet access. Option A, it is said broadcast media. Option B, it includes HFCS. Option C, cable modem connects house PC to Ethernet port. Option D, analog signal is converted to digital signal in DSLAM. Answer yes cheyandi. Answer just say option D, analog signal is converted to digital signal in DSLAM. Ninth bit. Which transmission media has the highest transmission speed in a network? Option A, coaxial cable. Option B, twisted pair cable. Option C, optical fiber. Option D, electrical cable. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer just say option C, optical fiber. 10th bit. The portion of physical layer that interface with the media access control sublayer is called dash. Option A, physical signaling sublayer. ఆప్షన్ బి ఫిజికల్ డేటా సబ్లేయర్, ఆప్షన్ సి ఫిజికల్ అడ్రసెస్ సబ్లేయర్, ఆప్షన్ డి నన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ ఫిజికల్ సిగ్నలింగ్ సబ్లేయర్. 11th bit. Computer can be classified into two main categories. They are option A hardware, option B software, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese option C both A and B, both hardware and software. 12th bit. Storage unit also called as dash. Option A main memory unit, option B maximum memory unit, option C minimum memory unit, option D none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese option A main memory unit. 13th bit. CU stands for dash. Option A common unit, option B control unit, option C code unit, option D none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese option B control unit. 14th one. Example of output devices are dash. Option A keyboard, option B CPU, option C printer, option D scanner. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese option C printer. 15th bit. Arithmetic and logical unit, control unit and main memory unit are considered as a part of signal over all units as dash. Option A control planned unit, option B operating system, option C central processing unit, option D none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese option C central processing unit. 16th bit. When they are processed to generate meaningful details, data became dash. Option A result, option B data, option C information, option D all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese option C information. 17th bit. Data and instructions are provided to computer by using the dash. Option A output unit, option B memory unit, option C control unit, option D input unit. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese option B memory unit. 18th bit. We would need dash bits to represent 32 different symbols in the binary language. Option A 4, option B 5, option C 6, option D 7. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese option B 5. 19th bit. In 1834, Charles Babbage built a machine that is called as dash. Option A differential engine, option B calculator, option C electronic calculator, option D none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese option A differential engine. 20th bit. The world's first real computer was dash. Option A electronic numerical integrator and calculator, option B electronic delay storage automatic calculator, option C both A and B, option D none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese option A electronic numerical integrator and calculator. 21st bit. Array is dash. Option A linear data structure, option B non-linear data structure, option C complex data structure, option D none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese Option A, linear data structure. 22nd bit, stack is dash. Option A, static data structure. Option B, dynamic data structure. Option C, inbuilt data structure. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chesi option B, dynamic data structure. 23rd bit, elements of array are accessed by dash. Option A, accessing function inbuilt in data structure. Option B, mathematical function. Option C, index. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chesi option C, index. 24th bit, the most widely used method for interpreting bit setting as non-negative integer is dash. Option A, binary number system. Option B, BCD system. Option C, ASCII system. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese option A, binary number system. 25th one, any string of bits of length n represent a unique non-negative integer between dash. Option A, 0 and 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. Option B, 0 and 2 to the power n minus 1. Option C, 1 and 2 to the power n minus 1. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese option B, 0 and 2 to the power n minus 1. 26th bit, the set of negative data types that a particular computer can support is determined by. Option A, type of hardware company. Option B, what functions has been wired into hardware. Option C, what software support is required. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chesi option B, what functions have been wired into hardware. 27th bit, while considering data structure implementation, the factors under consideration is option A, time. Option B, time and space. Option C, time, space and procedure. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chesi option B, time and space. 28th bit, pick put invalid statement from following. Qs can be used for. Option A, the line printer. Option B, access to disk storage. Option C, function call. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chese option C, function call. 29th bit, in top down approach. Option A, a problem is subdivided into sub-problems. Each one is attacked without worrying about other. Option B, a problem is tackled from beginning to end in one go. Option C, sub-problems are solved first, then all solution of sub-problems are put together to solve the main problems. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chesi option A, a problem is subdivided into sub-problems. Each one is attacked without worrying about other. 30th bit, in bottom-up approach. Option A, a problem is subdivided into sub-problems. Each one is attacked without worrying about other. Option B, a problem is tackled from beginning to end in one go. Option C, sub-problems are solved first, then all solution of sub-problems are put together to solve the main problems. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chesi option C, sub-problems are solved first, then all solution of sub-problems are put together to solve the main problem. 31st bit, the level or data abstraction which describes how the data is actually stored is dash. Option A, physical level. Option B, conceptual level. Option C, storage level. Option D, file level. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ, ఫిజికల్ లెవెల్. 32nd bit. The level or abstraction describes only part of the entire database is called dash. Option A, conceptual level. Option B, view level. Option C, procedure level. Option D, none of the above. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి, వ్యూ లెవెల్. 33rd bit. Object-based data models are used in describing the abstraction of the following levels. Option A, conceptual and view. Option B, only physical. Option C, physical and conceptual. Option D, only conceptual. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ, conceptual and view. 34th bit. An association of several entities in a entity relation model is called. Option A, tuple. Option B, record. Option C, relationship. Option D, field. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి, రిలేషన్షిప్. 35th bit. The overall logical structure of a database can be expressed graphically by option A, data flow chart. Option B, flow chart. Option C, directed graph. Option D, entity relationship diagram. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి, entity relationship diagram. 36th one. In an object-oriented model, one object can access data of another object by passing dash. Option A, instance variable. Option B, variable. Option C, message. Option D, function. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి, message. 37th bit. The collection of information stored in a database at a particular moment is dash. Option A, view. Option B, instance. Option C, scheme. Option D, none of this. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి, ఇన్స్టాన్స్. 38th bit. The overall design of a database is called dash. Option A, scheme of the database. Option B, the screen of database. Option C, structure of the database. Option D, view of the database. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ, scheme of the database. 39th bit. The concept of data independence is similar to the concept of dash. Option A, data type. Option B, abstract data type. Option C, consolidation. Option D, isolation. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి, abstract data type. 40th bit. The tables generated on complication of data definition language are stored in dash. Option A, data abstraction. Option B, data dictionary. Option C, data file. Option D, metadata. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి, data dictionary. 41st bit. Arrays can be initialized providing they are dash. Option A, automatic. Option B, external. Option C, static. Option D, both A and B. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి Option D, both B and C. 42nd bit. Arrays are passed as argument to a function by dash. Option A, value. Option B, reference. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chesi option B, reference. 43rd bit. Recursive functions are executed in a dash. Option A, last in first out order. Option B, first in first out order. Option C, parallel fashion. Option D, any one of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chesi option A, last in first out order. 44th bit. Literal means dash. Option A, string. Option B, string constant. Option C, character. Option D, an alphabet. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chesi option B, string constant. 45th bit. A switch statement is used to dash. Option A, switch between functions in a program. Option B, switch from one variable to another variable. Option C, to choose from multiple possibilities which may arise due to different values of a single variable. Option D, to use switching variables. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chesi option C, to choose from multiple possibilities which may arise due to different values of a single variable. 46th bit. The function f printf is used in program dash. Option A, when too many printf calls have been already used in the program. Option B, in place of printf, since printf uses more memory. Option C, when the output is to be printed onto a file. Option D, when the type of the variable to be printed are not known. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chesi option C, when the output is to be printed onto a file. 47th bit. The getChar library function. Option A, returns a character when any key is pressed. Option B, returns a character when enter key is pressed. Option C, returns and display a character on the screen when any key is pressed. Option D, returns none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chesi option B, returns a character when enter is pressed. 48th bit. A default argument has a value that dash. Option A, may be supplied by the calling program or function. Option B, related data items and variables. Option C, integrates with user defined language. Option D, none of them. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chesi option A, may be supplied by the calling program or function. 49th bit. A structure brings together a group of dash. Option A, items of the same data type. Option B, related data items and variables. Option C, integers with user defined names. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chesi option C, integers with user defined names. 50th bit. The AND operators. Option A, compile two numeric values. Option B, combine two numeric values. Option C, compile two Boolean values. Option D, none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chesi compare two Boolean values. Okay friends, na video ganaka meeku nachinatayite like cheyandi, share cheyandi and alane na channel ni subscribe cheskondi. Thanks for watching.